Hi everyone and welcome to another video from DisplayRepair.com. Are you low on money but have to keep the car going? If so, then this video might help get through the crisis a bit easier and perhaps make the whole situation less troublesome. So stay tuned. DisplayRepair.com. Be sure to visit us at our website DisplayRepair.com where you can find more useful car and driving tips. Disclaimer. Since car maintenance is a matter of safety, we must mention that this video does not encourage cutting any corners nor being cheap regarding maintenance. On the contrary, the fact is that most drivers, when faced with a lack of money, do not do any kind of maintenance on their cars, totally neglect it, and thus eventually cause problems both for themselves and other participants in traffic. This video is meant to help until better times come and you have the means to do proper and timely maintenance. So let's get to it. Buy cheaper oil and filters. Changing the engine oil and various filters is the most frequently done part of maintenance. In most cases, they are cheap to replace in the first place, but if your budget is really tight, then you can make some significant savings here. There is a whole range of middle-class oils and filters that offer pretty good quality and also satisfy all of the car manufacturer standards. The downside is you may have to change the engine oil and filters more frequently, but you can't have it all. Buy cheaper spare parts. Some serious savings can be made when choosing car parts for the repair. The main difference in price and quality regarding the parts is between OEM and aftermarket parts. In most cases, the OEM parts, which stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer, they are also called original parts, are much more expensive than the aftermarket ones. Of course, there is a good reason for this. But when it comes to saving money, you should go for the aftermarket parts. The most important thing with these is to choose the right manufacturer, as there is a wide spectrum of them. If you choose right, you will get car parts of decent quality and durability at a much lower price. Buy used parts. This tip applies only in cases of emergency and lack of certain aftermarket parts. Nevertheless, have this option in mind, especially if you're scraping at the bottom of the money barrel. Junkyards are a goldmine regarding this, and if you know where and what to look for, you can oftentimes solve your problem for a very low price. Also, you can bargain for the parts. Ask around before the repair. Before making the repair, ask around, make a few phone calls, go on the internet and gather information. This goes double when choosing a garage for the repair, asking for cost estimates of repair, asking questions regarding expensive parts like the dual mass flywheel for instance, and else. Once you've gathered all this information, make a comparison and see if you can save some money. Don't be lazy or perhaps embarrassed to do this. Oftentimes, all of this might be worth a couple of €100 or dollars or even more. Wash the car yourself. If you drive your car to a specialized shop for cleaning, perhaps consider doing it yourself until the money situation gets better. This tip goes double if you clean the car frequently. For the time being, you can use a self-serviced car wash to do the job, which is cheaper, or you can do all of the cleaning at home. That is your choice. While saving money, it can even be fun to do. Do some DIY work. Regarding the car, the mother of saving money is do-it-yourself work. As this channel has shown you many times, there is a ton of things you can do on your own, especially if you're good with tools and repairs. It doesn't have to be anything spectacular, but changing the oil, changing various filters, spark plugs, various bulbs, the serpentine belt, doing some cleaning of various sensors and else will save you some serious money in the long run, especially if you make higher mileage with your car. Of course, on this part, know your limitations regarding repairs, don't do anything you're not certain of, and that may endanger your safety. Use the car less. For the last tip, which is the most simple, don't use the car that much. Less mileage simply means less wear and tear, and thus less maintenance in the future. Not to mention that you'll spend less money on gas. Walk and ride a bike whenever you can. The savings that amass over time will pleasantly surprise you. Worth mentioning is the health benefit of this also. All of these tips point to one thing. If you're running your car on a tight budget, go for the middle class maintenance, go for the gray zone. Use aftermarket parts, visit lower cost garages, and try to do on your own what you can on your car and do what is safe. Over time, euro upon euro, dollar upon dollar, and you'll see that all of this produces some serious money savings. If you can't do any of this for some reason, then our friendly advice is to park the car and use public transportation, the bicycle or else. Otherwise, you're a threat to your own safety and to other participants in traffic. This is the simple truth. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.